my channel, Watch and Go. Medyo nag-bench ang brain ko doon na. Parang hirap yata bigkasin ng thank you for watching, Watch and Go. I think kailangan ko palitan yung YouTube channel name ko. So anyway, salamat po at nanonood kayo ngayon sa channel ko. By the way, tinakpan ko yung bintana doon. Huwag po kayong madistract kasi pag wala siyang cover, nakakasilaw sa background. So, sorry, hindi ko na nilagyan ng kortina kasi mas maganda yung view sa umaga pagdunga mo sa bintana, kita mo ang mga puno, ganyan, pag binuksan mo pa yan, maririnig mo pa yung mga birds, tweeting in the morning, so nakakasaya. So, tinakpan ko muna siya ng patakip sa lamesa, temporary. So, ayan, nag-work naman. Kaya medyo okay ang ating view ngayon. Hindi nakakasilaw. Anyway po, today, dami ko satsat. Mag-unbox tayo. Ay! Sus! Mariosep! First time ko po mag-unbox ng in-order ko sa Amazon. I want to bring up my vlogging to another level, ika nga. So, kahapon po ng hapon, napo-order na si Inday ng tripod. Yung uso ngayon na ginagawa at ginagamit ng mga vloggers, ganyan. In-order ko kahapon ng hapon lang at ang galing na Amazon. Amazon delivers really well, literally. When they say August 23 po ang deliver. Ano bang araw yun? Tama, 23 nga. Nag-order ako kahapon at hapon na po ako nag-order. Maghahapon na. Na-receive ko po kanina umaga. Yahoo! Ayan. So, let's do the unboxing. Okay? Alright. Ang seller po ay wala pala dito sa name. Okay. At kung sino man po ang dropshipper nito sa Italy, ang galing, kasi meron na siyang on hand. But I'm sure this product also came from, where else? The supplier of the whole world, China! Anyway, okay, prepared po ako. May very sharp knife ako. Yan. Ang box. Magaang. Medyo napapagtastiko na ko bakit ganun kagaang. Wala pang half kilo eh. 0.9 kgs. Pero parang malakas lang siguro talaga ako. Kaya feeling ko napakagaang. Okay. Ayan na. Bukas na ang box. Paper sa ibabaw. Ito na po. Ang brand po ay ELEGIANT. Okay. Marcus, this is my tripod na the one that I ordered yesterday. So, sa box po, makikita nyo na itsura na ini-expect ninyong tripod. So, ganyan siya. At the back, andito yung measurements nung clip, height, and description. So, this one is for the phone holder. Ay, sorry. Yan. Kita nyo ba ako? Phone holder, ring light, yung dimension din niya, and power supply. Pwede siya sa computer, pwede sa laptop, pwede sa USB charger, and pwede sa power bank. That's it. And may remote siya. Mga buttons. Pinaka-remote siguro niya to. We will see later. Okay? It says here it's 160 LED aluminum tripod stand, selfie support. Right. Actually, naghahanap ako ng may mic. Nagkamali ako ng order dito. Hindi ko na ma-cancel to. Sige na nga. And this is 20 euros po. 20 euros. Ewan ko kung meron ito sa Pilipinas. Ito na lahat. Wala na pong magkasama. Kaya pala. So, all. Alright. Assemble natin ha. Inside the box, meron lang po dalawang plastic na dalawang piraso na naka-bubble wrap. Okay? Okay, assemble po natin. Ito yung tripod. Ito yung magkasing bigat. Payat lang yung stand ng tripod. Pero, strong. Kung sa tingin niyo po, parang ano lang ng payong. Pero, bakal eh. Ayan. So, tripod po, ito na yung last. Ito na yung pinaka bukaka niya na maluwag. Ayan. So, don't be afraid that it will collapse and go straight like that. But, let's see yung loob. Ouch. I don't know if you can see. Yan. Ganon yung loob. Di naman siya mapuputol. Maliban na lang pag may naging kaaway kayo, ibinato nyo to, doon na siguro. May bukol na yung binato nyo, sira pa yung tripod nyo, wala na. So, ito, ganyan na po siya, no? Yung pinaka last na, or maximum na bukaka niya. Yan. Okay. Ay, naku, nagkamali nga ako ng bili. Too bad. Ito po ay hindi na i-stretch. Ano po to? Pang desk. Okay? Wala po yung itatayo nyo dyan sa floor at tataas ng ganyan. This is for close up. Anyway, dyan na eh. Maximize na lang ang gamit. Tapos ito na, yun na po. This is where you can put your phone. Tapos ito na bibend. Spring to na nabibend mo 360 degrees. Ito yung connector to the stand. Ano bang tawag dito? Yung parang bolt screw na iikot mo siya yan. See? Ito rin naiikot mo siya. Meron siyang control sa baba. It's like a bolt screw, no? And then you can turn it 360 degrees then. Dito na ang control nun. Ayan. Hihigpitan mo, luluwagan mo. Then, ito yung remote. Up, down, on, off, model. We'll see later kung paano ito gumagana. And the USB. Okay, let's see. Okay, pag hawak niyo po ito, hindi ko na kailangang ikot to. Ang iikot niyo ito. Ayan. Gigpit. Ayan. disconnect. I think kita po. Now I connected to the laptop. Chapuera. Wait lang. Okay. So my blue light. Tapos I will use another phone pang test. Okay. On and off. Yay! I will use the up button. Down. Yan. So yung down is like your dimmer. Up is to make it brighter and to the brightest light that you want. Down. Okay. Let's see M, ha? Curious ako kung ano yung M. Ah, M is yung mode mo. Pero it says here model, no? Yung mode mo, kung anong bright type of light ang gusto mo. Yan. Pero napapansin niyo ba yung difference? Ayan. Nag-click ako. Nag-click ako ulit. Click ako ulit. Let's try to see in a different angle. Okay. I will click now. Alright. Yan. Mas kita po dito. Okay. Alright. We will try to change the model. But before we do that again, we try to increase. Yan. And let's see how much difference can we make? Yun. Yan po. Okay, that's it. So that's it, guys. Gamit ko na po siya ngayon. Sinet up ko na yung phone ko, tapos yung light. And this one I'm using now is the white type of light. Sana meron sa description nila, no? The color and what do you call that type of light. So, while I'm recording, I will change. I will press M for model. Let's see what will happen. Ayan, this is the yellow. Maganda rin to. This is like nothing. Ito naman yung parang kulay dilaw po na bumbilya. Ganon. Ito naman yung ilaw na parang may pagka-bluish kapag tinitignan mo. When you go out to the bar, yung normally ginagamit. Ito I cannot explain. Pero yes, it's good selection of lights. I mean, it has a very good number of selection for the lights to use. Only that nagkamali talaga ako ng order para sa desk to eh. Like now, ganyan. Pero what if I'm standing? Patay na. Yan po. That's it. The brand again is ELEGIANT. Okay. Overall, for 20 euros, well, kasi kasama ng tax dun. For 20 euros, I think, for the quality, I think it's expensive, no? I don't know. Maybe kasi sa brain ko is automatic euro to peso sign. And I think there in the Philippines, may makukuha kang 1,500. And it's a long stand. Now, let me try to pull up the calculator. Ito si compute Inday eh. 20 euros times 56. Oh, 1,120 for 1,000. I don't know really. Kasi may nakakita po ako na 1,500, tapos nagsisale pa. Yun nga, long stand na. This one is a stand. But, minsan kasi you cannot just gauge an item based sa itsura. Pero, yes, of course, upon receiving the item, magkakaroon ka ng impression, oh, this looks expensive for its appearance, but in the long run, in the end, is the durability of the product and how can you maximize the product. But if kahit na nagkamali ako ng order, but in the end, I will find out that this is really good, then my 20 euros is worth it. 20 euros siya fixed kasi nagkataon na nag-offer sa akin na Amazon Prime gave me 30 days to have free shipping. So anything that I ordered within 30 days, which started yesterday, 22nd of August, will be free. So with all those things that I ordered, free siya. So imagine if this still includes shipping, maybe minimum 3-4 euros. So, or maybe let's put 25 euros for this item. I don't know eh. I will give you an update, no? I will make another video maybe after 2 weeks. How is this product going? So, anyway, thank you for watching. Yun lang po for today. And please subscribe to my channel. And watch out for the next unboxing video from me. Kasi meron pa ako expect na 2 items. Marcos toy and another tripod. Yung walang... I took another tripod na short lang din for desk. So, see ya! Bye! Thanks!